You can quickly create an interactive book of combined student work in Wixie. Select the Students button. Then select the Class button and choose your class. Use the Show pull-down menu to filter to the work you want to combine. Add in the details you need to find the project and select the Search button. To see the work of all students, select the Entire Class button. Choose the Select Projects button. All projects that match your filter will be selected. Click to deselect any projects you do not want to include. Then select the Project Wizard button. You will see the Project Wizard dialog. Select the Book option. Enter a title for the new book, choose how many projects will be embedded on each page, and then select a template for the background. All projects you have selected will be added to your new interactive book and saved in your My Projects folder.